Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aimbot token. Name of the token is Aimbot, and that is also the ticker symbol. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Aimbot token, it was just announced that there is a brand new central exchange listing for this token. On Poloniex Twitter, they just had a tweet about this. If you just go to @Poloniex, their newest tweet actually from 9 hours ago, it says, Aimbot is Poloniex's newest listing. Deposits will open August 14th at 11 o'clock UTC time. So today is August 14th. So it should be listed on there as of today. It says that this token, it's already listed on there because I believe it's past 11 o'clock UTC time. That's not my time zone, so it should be up there now. So if you are looking to get this token and you don't have a Poloniex account, you can download Poloniex, Poloniex. You can download it from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and get it on your PC. Then you open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Aimbot, and then simply just buy the token. Aimbot is all one word. Now this is on the Ethereum blockchain. There is a total supply of 1 million tokens. Now their webpage is aim and then -bot.app. So they have a roadmap, they have a Telegram, they have a link to Uniswap to get the token. So you can also get this token off of Uniswap since this is an Ethereum token. They have a claim reward section, features, why Aimbot, AI portfolio, tokenomics, and more. The only artificial intelligence you'll ever need, it says, an autonomous sniper that scrapes the blockchain in real time and picks the launches to invest in. Trading profits are automatically shared among investors. So it says, why bother when Aimbot can handle all the heavy lifting? So Aimbot is built differently. We believe in the future where the guesswork is replaced by real-time efficiency. Aimbot scans every single block on the blockchain in real time and feeds it to the CTB gauge, the conscious trading brain gauge, with information about every new token appearing for the first time. From there, it makes trading decisions based on the CTB. So it's got the conscious layer, it says, the mindful of the lessons it learned from the past. Aimbot remembers good and bad trading decisions and acts based on it. It can recognize patterns and store them in a conscious layer for future decisions. It's a memory system. It says it also has a brain layer. The future is getting scary over here. Making decisions like a good trader requires a good brain. So Aimbot understands the trading fundamentals and can process any amount of data within seconds. The brain layer is altered in real time to acknowledge market conditions, gas price, buy pressure, etc. And then trading layer, it says once a decision is made by the brain layer based on conscious layer informations, Aimbot automatically trades. It will buy and sell based on defined strategy, then share the profit among Aimbot holders. So the sniper, it says one sniper to rule them all. Instead of pushing investors to trade themselves, Aimbot will handle all the work and share the profit among all investors. There is zero action needed except holding Aimbot tokens to keep getting the profit. So it says Aimbot is awake at all times, 24/7, in case you want to use it. It will only trade when conditions are met. It always tries to identify rugs and honeypots based on patterns. It focuses exclusively on new tokens. It will always accept to buy in the first 2 blocks for any newly launched token up to the 4th block if some conditions are met. It uses a secret algorithm including more than 20 distinct variables before making a decision. So on the roadmap and features list, it says we want to grow the project and push Aimbot to its full potential. In order to do so, we've crafted a tentative roadmap with additional developments. Starting with the alpha phase, they started with the token launch. Aimbot goes live at 70% capacity. Then profit sharing, reward tracker, profit wallets dashboard, Aimbot sell strategy, Aimbot multi-wallet system, and then that is where they're at right now. And then coming up next, it says they're going to have weekly profit reports. Then the next phase, phase 2, is the beta phase. So none of this is done yet. It says Aimbot goes to 90% capacity. Then profit sharing, new rewards and tracker rules, profit tracking dashboard, profit claim dashboard, Aimbot conscious layer upgrade, and then Aimbot 2.0. Then we have the Omega phase. So Aimbot goes to 100% capacity target, Aimbot swing trade protocol, Aimbot multi-strategy system, new utility, and then it says more to be decided. So how does Aimbot work? Well, Aimbot holds tokens in wallet number 1, 2, and 3, and it will auto-buy tokens based on different parameters. Sells are manually handled for now, and profit is sent to this wallet. Profit is distributed manually to the rewards contract, where investors can claim ETH rewards. To calculate your rewards simply, and then it has a little like a formula, I guess. Or check out your dashboard where you can click on claim rewards. It'll take you over there. So it has a link to all the different wallets that I just mentioned, so you can go check out those wallets, their Etherscan addresses. Now there is a 5% buy and sell fee if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap. Poloniex has different taxes and whatnot. They're going to be lower taxes. But this one has, so 5% buy and sell fees, 1% goes to bot funding, 1% team, 1% development and marketing, and 2% reward wallet. Liquidity locked, ownership retained, Aimbot AI is running 24/7, 75% Aimbot profit shared with investors, profit wallets can be tracked on website, profit is distributed every few days based on volume and total supply, 1 million tokens. And join the community on Telegram and Twitter. They have links on their webpage, aim-bot.app. Looks like their Twitter is at aimbot_coin. I'm going to try to throw that up right here for you guys so you guys can easily find this token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.